Hello people. So this is my first video of the day and the second time I'm shooting with this silky straight hair. Uh, it's like I had to spend a considerable bomb to get it all straightened, and I got it done at Javed Habib. So this is like if you really want good, well straightened hair, that is like worth 10k. Javed Habib is the place that you should go, and I think they do a fairly good job of it because your hair really feels silky smooth, you know. So, why am I saying all this? Because it's like today I was just finding out sitting at that angle makes me look dark, this way I look fair. So, looking fair is important, and it's almost that's what less than 1 minute video is what I'll be aiming at. I just got back from work, people. So actually, I'm tired, but I want to finish shooting my 10 videos and I'll upload it. So, on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.